Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure After Effects for animating with expressions and controllers, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe After Effects and create a new project. Set up your composition by clicking on the composition menu and selecting New Composition. Click OK to create your composition. Import any assets you will be using for your animation by going to File and selecting Import. Drag your assets into the composition timeline. Select the layer you want to animate. To add an expression, hold down the Alt key and click on the stopwatch icon next to the property you want to animate. This opens the expression field where you can type your expression. For basic animations, try simple expressions like time for linear movement. To create more complex movements, use JavaScript-based expressions. You can reference other layers by using the layer name in brackets. Next, let's set up controllers for added flexibility. Go to Layer in the top menu, then New, and select Null Object. Rename the null object to Controller for clarity. Select the property you want to control, such as rotation or position. Hold down the Alt key and click the stopwatch for that property. Pick Whip from that property to the null object's position or rotation. Now, manipulating the null object will affect the linked property. To make it more organized, color code your different controllers. Select the controller layer, right-click, and go to Label. Choose a color that represents its function. If you need to create multiple controllers, repeat the process for each desired property. Adjust the sliders or controls as needed during your animation process. Preview your animation by pressing the spacebar. Make any adjustments needed by editing the expressions or controller settings. Finally, save your project regularly to avoid losing your progress. Once satisfied, you can export your animation by going to Composition and selecting Add to Render Queue. Complete your settings in the render queue and click Render to output your final animation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.